Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 4 challenges, let's take up our 5th challenge now, which is control option with selection rules. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. So now click on product rules followed by new. So click on this active checkbox. For condition met, give all. So for type, give selection. For scope, give product. So for evaluation event, we are gonna give load, and let's copy our product rule name, which is given right over here. So just copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save. So now if you scroll down, you will find error condition. Just click on new. Let's copy our test object. So it is already there. Choose code for it, and for tested field choose account industry, and for operator choose not equal. For filter type choose value, and for filter value let's copy our value from here and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save. And guys, now if you scroll down, you will find action. Click on new. So here for type, we are gonna give hide and remove. So for product type video, so here we are gonna choose video editor license of educational. So once if it is done, click on save and scroll down again. So click on new next to configuration rules. So check active, and for product type 4K. So K should be in caps. So instead of typing 4K, if you are typing video, you will get this 4K video camera. Just choose this and click on save. So that is all about this project. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our 5th challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.